Lily, hi, how are you? Today there's quite a lot of noises outside, starting from the cuckoo to the music you can hear. You can hear? I hope you can hear. Yeah. So today I woke up. It's around 9:30, 10, I think so, and I've decided to go for a walk. But the reason I'm going for a walk is because I want to go to the nearest supermarket around, and yeah, I have to go to the supermarket because I have to get some things plus the ingredients that I'm going to use to my for my DIY tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow on Friday. The video that is going to go up on Friday, and I have to go to the supermarket because I have my value card with me, and I'm not going to lose those points. I need the points, because I'm going to use quite a large amount of money today. Yeah, because I need a lot of things. So I've decided that I'm going to walk because it's not that far, though it's quite far. Yeah, and we're going to count the steps when I'm here. When I come back, I'm going to tell you how many steps that I've walked. Yeah, and so yeah, so see you tomorrow or today. Yeah, bye. Before I leave, I don't know if I'm going to go with my glasses. I don't think so, but if I meet anyone, I know they'll think that I'm ignoring them, but my bad. I'm not going to go with my glasses, so I'm leaving them. And yeah, let's go. I think I'll carry you along, guys. I'll give you a snippet of things. Bye. So hi guys, once again, this is basically what we're going to work with. So these are my dry lips. Yes, this is what we want to exfoliate to bring a pretty clean lip skin. Yeah, so let's get into the video right now. So hello guys, welcome back. So we are going to work from here. I have everything with me. So guys, we're going to make the lip scrub. Yeah, I'm saying it correctly. So we're going to make the exfoliating lip scrub. I hope everyone knows the importance of exfoliating your lips. This is not an everyday thing, but it's good to exfoliate because it helps in removing the dead skin around your lips. Yeah, it helps in fading the hyperpigmentation in your lips, the dark areas, the dark spots. Yeah, prevents your lips from drying up. As you can see, mine are already dry, but you're going to clear this problem soon. So guys, let's get into it. I know you, my eyes are looking up. Yeah, because I have some work going on the other side, and I don't want to mess the other work when I'm concentrating on this work. I want to balance both. And yeah, so we have a mixing bowl with me. You should have your own mixing bowl right now to start this process. And your mixing spoon, yes. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of each ingredient here, and I'm going to mix it until it gives me a feel that I want on my lips. And yeah, so let's get into it. So guys, we're going to do this until it gives us we're going to mix the ingredients until it gives us a texture that we want, and yes, that you can start with exfoliating our lips. Yeah. So basically on my mixing bowl, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Yes, on my mixing bowl. That's it. Then I'm going to take my olive oil, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Yeah, so olive oil it's good, and it ensures that the ingredients is not harsh on your lips. And yeah, if you don't have the brown sugar, you can use the normal sugar, just like I did, but the most preferred one is the brown sugar. Yes, so mix it. Yes, just like that. And you mix the ingredients together. So that's honey. That's supposed to be my number 5 ingredient, 4 5 ingredients. Yes, that's honey. So 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of each except the vanilla essence. So let's see. So this is the point that I add my vanilla essence. This is to add a cute, nice scent on it. Yeah, I can feel good. I can feel the cute scent on the mixture. So you can use any flavoring of your choice. For me, I decided to go with what I had, and that is vanilla essence. And yeah, so you can use the ingredients that you have. It's not limited. Yeah. So at this point my consistency was so light and that was not what I wanted. So I added a tablespoon of sugar, and I think I added 1.5 tablespoons. I added 1.5 tablespoons, yeah, so that I can make my consistency a bit thick because I needed that sticky consistency. Yeah, thick sticky consistency. So I got it, and yeah, so if yours is light, it is advisable to add. Don't be limited, just add so that you can get it to where you want. So guys, these are home ingredients which are inexpensive. You can use them at your own little cost of it. So make sure to do this, and if you're watching till now, please subscribe. Yeah, get me to 500 subs, and comment down below if you think it worked for you. Yeah, so let's do this. Let's exfoliate our lips, guys. And also guys, talk to me in the comment section of other ingredients that you can use at home to make the lip scrub. And also if you have another DIY that you can try, just tell me down in the comment section, guys. Yeah. So guys, after we're done mixing, I'm going to use my fingers to rub it on my lips, and I'm going to let it stay for like a few seconds or 1 minute for it to stay, and then I'm going to wash it off. Then I'll be good to go. After don't eat it after it has stayed for like 1 minute, because you're going to be eating the dead cells. It's not advisable, it's not good. So you should wash it, and then you're good to go. You can apply your Vaseline, your lip gloss, your Aramis, whatever you choose. And yeah, let's do this. You see, that's mine. So guys, this little mixture can be used for quite a number of times. So after you're done, you can store it, and use it later. Yeah. Smells so good. So I'm going to let it stay for 1 minute, and I'll be back when so yeah. So whoa, look at that. Look at the lip glow. Whoa, guys, not gonna lie, look like a snack. Those lips look edible. Look at them. So yeah, that's an easy DIY that you can do at home. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment down below of any other method that you can use.